All right, in this quick lesson, I want to show you an alternate syntax that you can use to avoid using the compile function whenever you want to use a regular expression to find a pattern in a string. So all four of the methods that are available on a pattern object, match, search, find all, and find iter, are also available on the top level of the regular expressions module. So for example here, I can call the search method directly on my regular expressions module. But I have to provide it two arguments now. My first one, as we can see here, will be the pattern, and my second one will be the string that I want to search for that pattern within. And this avoids us having to create that pattern object and save it to a variable. So once again, with search, I can search for a pattern anywhere in a string. So I can search for the pattern of flower in a string like picking flowers in the flower field. That is going to, once again, yield us a match object right here. Perfect. Similarly, I can invoke the match function on my regular expressions module. It still needs two arguments. The pattern, once again, it can be flower, and here it can be the string that I'm searching for it within as my second argument. Again, match will only match at the very beginning of the string that it's looking within. So for example, flower field should work here. I'm going to get a match object return on the right-hand side. And as you might guess, find all is going to work the exact same way. Once again, I'm going to call find all on my regular expressions module, not on my pattern object, although you're more than welcome to do it that way as well. First argument is the pattern, like flower. Second argument is what you want to search for that pattern within, like picking flowers in the flower field once again. And we can see this is going to give us a list of the two matches as strings, flower, flower. And finally, we have our find iter. So for the match in find iter, I'm going to invoke on regular expressions my module. Once again, when we're invoking it on our module, we need two arguments, the pattern, a flower, and then the second argument is the string we want to search for that within. Right here, I'll copy this from above, print our matches, and we can see we're going to get the exact same result. So either option works. You can either call any of these search pattern methods on the top level of the or regular expressions module, or you can invoke them directly as methods on your pattern objects that you get back from the compile function, also available on the regular expressions module. That's all there is to cover in this lesson, so I will see you in the next one.